आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 31st August 2020. The headlines are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized the importance of self-reliance for the all-around growth and development of a nation. Tamil Nadu government withdrawal e-passes system for the travel within the state. Haryana lifts 2 days weekly lockdown of the market after unlock 4 guideline. Festival of Onam being celebrated across the country today. Sports: India and Russia declare the joint winner for the Fried Cheese Olympiad. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given the clarion call for the citizen of the country become a self-reliant of everyone area. Addressing the national of the Mann Ki Baat program yesterday, the Prime Minister stressed for the importance of Atmanirbhar Bharat for all around the growth and development of the nation. He said the Indians, especially the generation next, have to with a lot of offer to the term for the innovation and the solution, and that we should be harnessed for the potential for the better tomorrow. The Prime Minister sits how to beginning of the month and the nation's youth participate enthusiastically for the Atmanirbhar Bharat app innovation challenges. He said that around 7,000 entries were received, out of which the two-thirds were youth of the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Prime Minister called upon the young talent in the country for the make the computer games in India and based on the India. He said there can be the games based on the country's rich history. He said the virtual gaming of the toys sector has been the important role to play the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. The Prime Minister urged the start-up to come together and manufacture the toys to make a Indian hub for the toy production. Prime Minister emphasized the need of the promote and local toys and said the time to go the vocal for local toy. During the program, the Prime Minister also launched the role of the farmer and the timings of the corona pandemic. He said the sowing of the kharif crops has been increased by the 7% as compared to last year in a country. Prime Minister added the Bharatiya Krishi Kosh is beginning set up with all the complete information about the crop that grow in each district and the related nutrition value. Prime Minister Modi said the period of the full of the festival, fair and religious the ceremonies. He said the heartening for the see the people the celebrating the festival and also the observing discipline due to the pandemic. He also highlighted the Indian festival and the deeply connected to the environment. The Prime Minister pointed out in the West Champaran district in Bihar, people belonging to the Tharu and tribal committee have been observing a 6 hours lockdown for the centuries. The Tamil Nadu series for the relaxation have been announced for the unlock for within the camp come into the effect of tomorrow. Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy said that the e-passes system travel within the state and dispense for within the interstate travel. The e-pass with the auto-generate immediately after the applying the through the portal. Haryana government has withdrawn an order of the shooting market for the non-containment zone of urban areas in the state of Mondays and the Tuesday. The withdrawal of the order come after the Centre's guideline of the unlock for the fourth phase of the easing national COVID-19 restriction. Earlier on the Friday, Haryana government had ordered to malls and shop market place urban areas will be remain closed on the Monday and Tuesday instead the weekends. As the instruction earlier, this order however not the shops dealing with essential goods and the services. Under the guideline of the unlock 4 State government have been directed not to enforce the localized lockdown outside with containment zone within the proper consultation with the center unlock 4 guidelines, which will be come into the force from the tomorrow, including the reopening of the metro services and allowing the social potential, academic, sports and religion and other function within a maximum of the 100 people as a attendance. Delhi Disaster Management Authority has extended the functioning of the weekly market on the trial basis of the 6th of September in the national capital. Last week, DDMA allowed on the trial basis of open the market on market per day per municipal zone. The authority have the directed official ensure the strict the implementation of anti-COVID-19 measures, including the social distancing and mandatory use for the face masks at this market. The Uttar Pradesh, all the school, colleges and educational institutions will be remain closed till the 30th September. But only online and distancing learning will be encouraged. A day after the Union Home Ministry issued the Unlock 4.0 guideline, the state government has also issued the Unlock guideline. Almost all guidelines are the same as per the center's direction. A letter the released by the Chief Secretary R.K. Tiwari said the metro train will be allowed to resume the 7th September in a phased manner. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has announced the free travel arrangement for the student appearing in a NEET and JEE examination. Chief Minister made the announcement on the official Twitter handle yesterday. The student will be provided the free travel arrangement from the block and the district headquarters to the examination center by the government. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal had on the Thursday said that the safety and the future of the student is the topmost priority with the regard of conduct the JEE and the NEET exam. National Testing Agency should be conducted for NEET on the September 13 and the JEE examination between the September 1 to 6. A committee comprising the Vice Chancellor and the education experts in Maharashtra to prepare a timetable for the UGC exam will be releasing its plans for the conducting the final year and the final semester exam in the universities today. In Gujarat, 1,272 new cases of COVID-19 were recorded during the last 24 hours. A correspondent report that the recovery rate has further improved for 80.67%. The Chandigarh, the number of corona positive cases is breached in the 30,000 mark. The state reported 1,346 fresh COVID-19 cases yesterday, while the 7 infected people succumbed to the virus, taking the tally for the confirmed cases in the state 30,092. Chhattisgarh has now the 30,420 active cases and the 16,303 people have been discharged post recovery, while the 269 have died so far. Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has gone the self-isolation after the 2 staff member testing positive for the COVID-19 yesterday. COVID-19 case load for the Odisha has crossed the 1 lakh mark within a 3,014 positive cases reported yesterday. The total tally has reached the 1,934. The positive rate has been hovering for the 5% within a 12 more dated deaths reported yesterday. The death toll for the rising the 482, more than the 70,000 patients has recovered from the infection. In Uttar Pradesh, the Chief Minister Helpline 1076 has been actively engaged in the calling COVID-19 patients who are under the home isolation or in the hospital. Every day they call the executive for the calling around the 20,000 patients to know about their health status and transforming the information to the district for the further action. State capital lockdown witnessed and the highest ever the increase in the number of the new cases in India in the day. Yesterday 999 new COVID positive cases were found in the lockdown. The hospitals implant with the Ayushman Bharat scheme will now get the star rating based on their health and the quality and the services. The National Health Authority NHA has issued the guideline to regard the moreover the 23,000 hospitals across the country for the implanted with the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, out of which more than 12,828 hospitals are from the public sector. Over the 10,000 hospitals are from the private sector. Taking exclude the interview, Joint Director and the National Health Authority Dr. J.L. Meena said the rating of the implanted hospital has been proposed on the 6th health care quality domains. Civil Aviation Hardeep Singh Puri has expressed the hope that the process for the privatization for the Air India will be completed during this year. Addressing the virtual meeting on Namo app for yesterday, and the ministry said that is the government should be not be running airport and the airlines. Last Tuesday, government has extended deadlines for the placing the bids and the Air India by the 2 months till the 30th October as a COVID-19 fallout for the disputes economic activity globally. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 31st August 2020. We will present again in the 1st September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं